KIRUTHIKA, working as Assistant Professor in Department of English at KSR College of Arts and Science for Women. In this video, we can discuss about the topics Literature and Environment, Unit 1 and 2. Introduction to Literature and Environment studies the relationship between humans and nature through literary text. It creates ecological awareness, explains environmental issues, promotes conservation of nature. It reflects the themes of nature, pollution, ecology and sustainability. The first topic is ecology, which means scientific study of relationship between living organisms and their environment. Its interaction among organisms, eco-criticism, balance, environmental protection. It helps understand and address environmental problems by examining how species depend on each other and their surroundings. The next topic is eco-criticism. It defines study of literature from an environmental perspective. It focuses on nature in literature, environmental ethics, and human impact on nature. It aims to develop ecological awareness through literature. Eco-criticism examines how literary texts represent the natural world and human relationship between environment, encouraging readers to ecological responsibilities. The next topic is deep ecology, which means a philosophy that values all living beings equally, recognizing the intrinsic worth of nature beyond human utility. Its principles: human nature has intrinsic value independent of human use. Humans are part of nature, not separate from it, and respect for biodiversity and all life forms. Opposition to anthropocentrism. Its importance encourages sustainable living and ecological harmony by shifting human perspective from dominance to partnership with nature. The next topic is symbiosis. It defines close relationship between two living organisms. It has three types. The first type is mutualism, which means both organisms benefit. The second type is commensalism, which means one benefits other unaffected. The third type is parasitism, which means one benefits other harmed. For example, bees and flowers demonstrate mutualism. Bees get nectar with pollinated. And the next topic is Tinai, 5 ecological landscapes, which means Kurinji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal and Palai. And the next topic is Psychopoetics. It defines the study of home, environment and poetry. It connection between home and nature, ecological imagination, human responsibility towards environment. It creates harmony between humans and environment through poetic expression. Psychopoetics bridges domestic spaces with natural landscapes, encouraging us to see our homes as part of larger ecosystems. And the second unit, first topic is eco-criticism. This unit explores eco-criticism as a literary theory that examines how literature represents the environment and human-nature relationships. We will study key eco-critics, analytical approaches, and how literature can foster ecological awareness, environmental responsibility. Cyril Bloch-Felty, she is a major role played in eco-criticism, which means major eco-critic and editor of the eco-criticism reader. She contributions introduced eco-criticism as a recognized literary theory. She focused on environmental representation in literature, established frameworks for analyzing nature in text. Her notable works are The Eco-Criticism Reader in 1996. It reflects a foundational anthology that defined the field of environmental literary studies. Literature reflecting environmental concerns. Literature mirrors environmental concerns and human-nature relationships through storytelling and poetry. Its insights, eco-criticism, promotes ecological awareness and responsibility among readers. Humans and nature are deeply interconnected. Literary texts serve as powerful tools for environmental advocacy. Stories shape our understanding of ecological issues. Literature bridges the gap between scientific knowledge and emotional connection to nature. Importance of environmental literature today is Environmental literature is crucial in today's world as it raises awareness about climate change and ecological crisis facing our planet. Through powerful narratives and imaginary, it encourages sustainable attitudes and behaviors in readers. Literature provides cultural and ethics framework for environmental care, helping us understand our responsibility toward nature. By engaging with eco-critical texts, we develop ecological consciousness and become advocates in environmental protection. Thank you for watching.